Nijang Karbi Anglong Amria Hawar, Ulu Kunci Police Outpost Kaparlu, Putsaria Rong Amikar, Mindar Terang Lapen, Bontina Rong Hang Piasupi, Cherop, Karlitang, Angelica Terangpi, Lapen, Karlitang, Sharonica Terangpi, Banghini Lapen, Samuel Songja Teron Lapen, Sinali Kramsa Piasupi, Karlitang, Adorsonei Teronpi Atum, Bhom Kuru Arni Tili, Porpai Ketom Malom, Arni Keso Ong Penajok, Tebok Het, Langteng Along, Lang Kachinglu Damjipura, Damsi, Kopai Kelang Noajok, Labang Ketom Tame, Jang Ruglu. Labang Ketom Tame, Kachirab Jia Pantame, Un Edera Jok, Langteng Along Amat Achithe, Avedet. Ningduk Mimi Kisin Kupodet, Apai Lapen, Apo, Adonarap Lapen, Lason Thak Taksi, Monduli isi, Rong Berong Thak, Lapen Havar isi Tame, Ningduk Chepaklang Rinti. Lasonsi, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Man Kedo, EM, Dioping Maslay Tame, Kisunge Podera Hem Tunalong, Ningduk Ninglak, Chepaklangsi, Penanganapor, Dudunlo.
Twin sister, namely Angelica Terangpi and Sharonica Terangpi. Both are age around 9 years old. Along with one of their neighbor, her name is Adorsonei Teronpi. The three friends asked, it was very hot yesterday. Both of them went to bath one of their nearby pond, and it was very unfortunate.
Around what time?
Around 3:30 approximately. Then unfortunately they got drowned. The parents tried to search from 3 to 4 like that, but they could not trace anywhere. So in the end they came along the pond, and luckily they found their body there. Now one of the baby was already floating, and two more are they found inside.
So when you found the body, there was no more life anymore?
There
Completely?
was no more life anymore, but as to satisfy the parents and the neighbor, their relative tried to take the 3 children to hospital. But
Which hospital?
to Nili Hospital. They tried to take Nili Hospital, but on the way, they came
Okay, they came back.
Very soon.